everyone, welcome back to Rad Garage. I'm Rick, and you'll see behind me that my SQ5 is back. I will be giving this car a really nice wash. I don't have time to go too crazy tonight because it's already 8 o'clock and I do have work tomorrow, but I'm going to spend a couple hours giving it some love. And I also wanted just to update viewers on how everything went as far as the repair process. So perhaps what I'll do is start rolling some footage of the wash while I talk a little bit about what has happened since the beginning of September. So let's update you now. So in the beginning of September, my car got backed into. I suspect I know who did it, but I was unable to prove it. The police didn't do anything. But the good news is the insurance company was really amazing to deal with, like I said way back in September. I filed my claim. It was a painless process. I did an online estimating process where I sent in pictures and an online assessment was made. I reached out to Cosmos Collision and I spoke with a number of people there and they were all awesome. I ended up talking a lot with a guy named Ken who was just amazing. And with the help of the insurance company and Cosmos, I was able to do something kind of exciting. Instead of having the OEM grill replaced, I was able to source a CARBNLAB custom grill, RS style grill for this SQ5. Company in Montreal, that they manufacture out of China and they distribute through Nemesis Autosport. So I contacted Nemesis Autosport, I talked to Nima. Nima hooked me up. I ended up getting the grill mid-October, which was about 5 days before the repair appointment on October 19th was booked. So it was great timing. The grill came in, dropped the car off on Monday, October 19th at Cosmos. The team was amazing, so accommodating. They understood that I was a little more particular than maybe their average car owner. Maybe I wasn't, but they knew how to handle me and they handled me well. So I went on Tuesday of this week, which was November 3rd after work, and I picked up the car. The grill looks amazing. You'll see some footage of it here. I'm going to take some pictures after. I've not really modified cars in the past, very minor things. So this is a little step out of my comfort zone. But I think it looks good. I think it gives the SQ5 a more aggressive look. And I do love the fact that it says Quattro there at the bottom of the grill. So I'll be sure to include some nice shots while I'm washing this car, as well as some after shots of the front end, because it does give it I think it gives it a dramatic look. So yeah, so why don't I wash this car and hopefully you'll enjoy the process. And towards the end of the video, I'll give you some updates on some other exciting stuff that's happening in the Rad Garage world. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so there we go. The SQ5 is back. It's washed. I gave it a quick 2.5 hour maintenance wash. I could have gone more, but it's getting late and I'm pretty tired. Plus, I think the forecast calls for snow tomorrow, so I didn't want to put in unnecessary hours here. But it's clean. It makes me feel good to know that it came back all in one piece. I'll finish the video off with some nice finish footage, mostly focusing in on the grill. But before I go, I just want to say thank you again to everybody at TD Insurance. So I want to thank everybody at Cosmos. You guys were awesome as well. It came out great. I've got a new cool RS style grill. The car's great and I met a lot of great people along the way. Also, before I go, I just want to remind viewers that for a limited time, you can go to autoobsessed.com. Now this is for my Canadian viewers, and you can receive 15% off any rag company purchases at autoobsessed.com. So I want to encourage you to use the code RAD15TRC. It'll be applied at checkout to all of the rag company products in your what do they call it? In your shopping cart. So please do that. It supports the rag company. It supports me. It supports Auto Obsessed. I want to thank Troy and his team up there in Edmonton for putting that together. They didn't have to do that, and it's just so super cool. I also want to say thanks to the rag company. You guys have been great helping promote my Instagram channel and my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. It's been really awesome getting to know you guys through this Grand Ambassador program. I'm sure there's someone I'm leaving out, but you know what? It's 10 o'clock and I got to work tomorrow. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in and helping me celebrate the SQ5 being home. And lastly, stay rad, everyone.